Here's a 60-second script with 10 explained inspirational quotes, short, punchy, and designed for someone feeling demotivated, feeling low. Here are 10 quick quotes and why they matter. 1. Rock bottom became the solid foundation. Sometimes hitting your lowest point gives you the strength to rebuild stronger. 2. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. Your toughest times often shape your best qualities. 3. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you don't stop. Progress is still progress, even if it's slow. 4. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Self-belief is the fuel for action. Start with your mindset. 5. Your current situation is not your final destination. Where you are now doesn't define where you'll end up. 6. Failure is not fatal, it's the courage to continue that counts. Keep going. That's where real strength is born. 7. You're never too old to dream a new dream. It's never too late to start over or try again. 8. Every day may not be good, but there's good in every day. Focus on the small wins. They add up. 9. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. You don't need perfect conditions to begin, just start. 10. You haven't been buried, you've been planted. This pain is preparation. Growth is coming. Hold on. You're not done yet.